Welcome back. Today, we're taking a look at an incredibly powerful AI-powered 3D modeling tool that can transform a simple image into a highly detailed 3D model within minutes. But that's not all. This tool isn't limited to creating 3D models. You can also use it to generate high-quality portraits, game-ready assets, 3D printable models, jewelry designs, and much more. Whether you're a game developer, 3D artist, designer, hobbyist, or content creator, this platform has something valuable to offer. The tool we're exploring today is called Hi3D. Some of you may recognize it by its previous name, Hi3D. The platform has recently been rebranded and is now officially known as Hi3D. Throughout this video, we'll explore the platform step by step and see exactly what it can do. By the end of this tutorial, you'll understand how to convert a single image into a highly detailed, production-ready 3D model that can be used for a variety of personal and professional projects. One of the most impressive things about Hi3D is that it dramatically simplifies the 3D creation process. For many projects, you may not even need to spend hours learning complex manual 3D software. So, let's get started. As soon as we land on the Hi3D website, you'll notice a clean and user-friendly interface. I've included the link in the description below, so feel free to check it out and follow along as we explore the platform. Right on the home page, you'll see a prominent upload box where you can simply drag and drop an image to begin generating a 3D model almost instantly. As we scroll down, Hi3D showcases several comparisons between its results and those generated by other 3D modeling tools. This is where the difference becomes very clear. You can compare the level of detail, texture quality, and overall accuracy between competing solutions and Hi3D's output. The enhanced details and refined geometry produced by Hi3D are immediately noticeable. Further down the page, you'll find examples demonstrating the complete workflow. You'll see the original image, the generated 3D model, the textured version, and even a delighted texture version that provides a cleaner base for additional editing and customization. The platform is also capable of generating highly detailed facial structures and realistic portrait models. These aren't just simple 3D scans. The models contain impressive detail that can be useful for professional projects. Another powerful feature is segmentation. Instead of creating a single combined model, Hi3D can separate different parts of a model into individual sections, giving you more flexibility for editing, animation, printing, and asset management. The platform also supports 3D relief generation and multi-part model segmentation, making it suitable for advanced workflows. Now let's talk about some of its most common use cases. Many users rely on Hi3D for 3D printing projects. Others use it to create assets for video games, where generated models can be imported directly into game development pipelines. It's also useful for film and visual effects production, digital art, sculpting, architecture visualization, fashion design, and jewelry creation. With millions of users worldwide, Hi3D has become one of the leading AI-powered image to 3D platforms available today. Now let's jump into the platform itself. We'll begin by logging into our account using an email address and password. Once logged in, you'll notice a navigation panel on the left side that contains all of the platform's tools and features. On the right side, you'll find community creations. These are real projects created by other users using Hi3D, and they're a great source of inspiration. You'll see projects organized into various categories. Let's start with the 3D printing category. Here, users have created a wide range of printable models. For example, this baby dragon model was generated with remarkable detail from a single image. You can inspect multiple versions of the model, including rendered previews, diffusion-generated variations, albedo textures, and normal map textures to better understand the quality of the final output. Moving on to the fashion and jewelry category, you'll find detailed accessories, ornaments, and decorative designs created by the community. In the gaming category, users have generated impressive fantasy characters and creatures. For instance, This werewolf warrior model demonstrates how much detail Hi3D can extract from a simple image reference. Just by looking at the original image and comparing it to the final model, you can see how accurately the platform captures shapes, textures, and character features. You can also browse the portrait section, where users have created highly realistic human models. Beyond that, there are categories for digital art, creative projects, character concepts, and many other specialized use cases. Overall, Hi3D is an extremely capable image-to-3D platform that delivers impressive results across a wide variety of applications. Now, it's time to test it ourselves. Before uploading an image, keep a few important guidelines in mind. For the best results, choose an image with a clean background and a clearly visible subject. The main subject should be sharp and in focus, while any background elements should be minimal or slightly blurred. Avoid cluttered scenes or images where the subject is partially obstructed, as this can affect the quality of the generated 3D model. You can review all of these recommendations directly on the platform before starting. Now let's head over to the General section and upload our own image to see what kind of 3D model Hi3D can generate for us. Now I'm going to upload my own image. For that, I'll click on Local Upload and select a chair image that I've already downloaded. Before uploading, I'll also remove the background using a background removal tool. This helps the AI focus only on the subject, which improves the final 3D result. If you don't have your own image, no problem. The platform also provides sample images you can use just for testing. Now, as we scroll down, you'll notice a newer model version available in Hi3D. This is version 2.1, and it's designed to produce faster results with much better detail. I'll select version 2.1 and ignore the older versions like 2.0 and 1.5. Next, I'll switch the mode to quality instead of fast, because I want maximum detail in the final output. If you're in a hurry, you can choose fast mode, but for professional results, quality is the better option. After that, I'll go to the generation type and choose geometry plus texture. This ensures that the tool doesn't just create the shape of the model, but also adds realistic surface detail and textures. I'll keep the rest of the settings as default. If you want more control, you can always open the advanced settings and fine-tune everything manually. Now I'll click Generate. This process costs around 45 credits. The good thing is, Hi3D gives you 100 free credits when you sign up, and you can also earn more by inviting others. Once I hit Generate, the process starts in two main steps. First, it builds the geometry of the model. Then, it adds textures on top of it. Now, we just wait a few moments. And here it is. The chair has been converted into a full high-quality 3D model from just a single front-facing image. The result is surprisingly detailed and clean. You can rotate it, inspect it from different angles, and even switch between different rendering views like diffusion, albedo, and normal maps to see how the model is built under the surface. If you want to edit the model further, Hi3D also gives you sculpting tools. You can go into Edit mode, enable Sculpt mode, and use brushes to push, pull, or reshape different parts of the model. It's simple, but powerful enough for quick adjustments. Now here's something even more interesting. If your result doesn't come out perfect from a single image, you can switch to multi-view 3D generation. This allows you to upload multiple angles like front, back, left, and right views. With all these perspectives combined, the AI can generate a much more accurate and detailed model. In my case, I have 3 images of the chair from different angles, so I'll upload those. I'll keep the same settings, but since I'm providing multiple views, I can even switch back to fast mode and still get a solid result. Then I'll click Generate again, and this time the system will build both geometry and textures using all the angles, giving us a more complete and precise 3D model. Next, let's move to the Portrait section. Here, you can upload a simple photo and convert it into a detailed 3D portrait model or avatar. I'll upload a basic image and keep the settings similar. Fast mode with geometry plus texture. This process usually takes around 4 to 5 minutes, and once it's done, You'll get a highly detailed 3D portrait that you can preview, rotate, and modify. You can also explore other render versions like albedo, white diffusion, and different texture outputs to understand how the model is structured. Once your models are ready, you can download them in multiple formats, such as GLB, OBJ, and other standard 3D file types. These can be imported directly into Blender or any other 3D software without extra conversion. And if you ever feel like a single image isn't giving you the results you want, just switch back to multi-view mode and provide multiple angles. That alone can dramatically improve the final output quality. That's pretty much it for this tutorial. Make sure to check the link in the description to try Hi3D yourself. You'll get some free credits to start with, and there are also discounts available on the Pro version. Once you try it, you'll see how easy it is to go from a simple image to a fully usable 3D model without needing traditional complex 3D software. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.